Good afternoon. My name is Maria Rogova and I practice family law in San Diego County. In this video, I'm going to talk about child custody and visitation, how you can obtain this order, how you can modify this order, and what kind of custody you can have. There are two types of custody, legal custody and physical custody. If you have sole legal custody or asking for sole legal custody, it means that you are or going to be responsible for your kids' health, education, and welfare. If you have joint legal custody or asking for joint legal custody, it means that both parents are or going to be responsible for kids' health, education, and welfare. Physical custody. If you have joint physical custody, it means that your kid spends significant time with both parents. Not equally, but significant time with both of them. If you have sole physical custody, it means that the kid lives with you and spends almost all the time with you, and the other parent has visitations with the kid. Visitations also can be supervised. If you have any kind of issues, domestic violence restraining order, or there is drug problems or alcohol problems, you can ask for supervised visitations to be supervised by a professional or any third party you can agree upon. What forms you have to fill out and file with the court if you're asking for child custody and visitation order. First form called request for order. The number of this form is FL/300. In addition to this form, you will also have to fill out the following forms: FL/311, FL/312, FL/341C through E. If you know specific orders you want to ask, then you will fill out those forms. Read them through and you will see what suits your case. When you're going to file these forms with the court, you will be required to pay court fee, which is $85 when you ask for child custody and visitation order. Also, for example, if you want to obtain child custody and visitation order while you're going through divorce or legal separation process, this order will be temporary. Means when you get your final judgment, the order can be different. If you have already obtained your final judgment and want to modify your current child custody and visitation order, you need to fill out and file the same forms I have already mentioned, but you'll be asking for modification of child custody and visitation order. And if you're asking for modification, you have to show the judge that there were some change of circumstances. For example, if your current child custody and visitation order was entered 5 years ago, 7 years ago, and your kid was young, like 3 years old, and right now 5-7 years passed and your child is 8 years old or older, and you want to have more time with your kid, then you can ask. Or for example, if you lived in a different county or a different state or different city or different continent, and you move back and you're pretty close to your kid, you can ask also. You can also ask for modification, because there you will show change of circumstances, and you can spend more time with the kid. Or for example, your work schedule changed, and that could be considered change of circumstances as well. And if you have them, then file a request for order asking for modification of child custody and visitation. Also, I wanted to say that when judge makes his or her order, child custody and visitation, the judge looks what's in the best interest of the child or children. It doesn't mean what you want. I mean, the judge will look at what you're asking for sure, but the judge also looks what's in the best interest of the kid, and based on that, the judge will make his or her order. If you have any additional questions or need some clarifications, you can always give me a call at 619-737-3919 or email me. I'll leave my website address below this video. You can find my email address and email me. Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a nice day.